Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to replace your Range Rover L322 airbag. Now remove the 3 bolts from the hood strut using 16mm and the top strut using 24mm. If the bolts are rusted or are difficult to remove, always use a WD-40 to ease the job. Using an air tool would make your job a lot easier. Next is to remove the rims and get access to the front shock absorber's bolts. Using 22mm bolt, remove the shock absorber bolts. The shock absorber bolt is welded to the hub assembly. Once again, the bolts may be hard to remove, so using an air tool and WD-40 will make the job a lot easier. Now using a 19mm, remove the nut which holds the anti-roll bar stabilizer link to the strut. Bear in mind that there is also a washer between the nut and the strut. You would need to replace it to avoid any headache. Now you need to remove the air pipe using 10mm. Do remember that no bolt or nut is holding the strut, so I would advise you to not let the strut hang loose on the air pipe. Now that nothing is holding the strut, you can safely remove it. You have safely removed your L322 front air suspension. Thank you for watching. If you did like the video, please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.